Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Discord server. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open your Discord application on your PC, and then you need to select any Discord server. So here you can see that I have different server. So let me select this one. Okay, and once you selected a server, you simply need to click on the right mouse cursor, and here you can see option of mute channel. So here you have different times, so I'm going to select until I turn it back on. So you can see that now the server is hide. So this is a process by which you can hide server on Discord. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.